As we go into week 4 of Apigee Create and Manage APIs, I want to remind those who haven't done weeks 1 through 3 to go ahead and catch up. We only have 2 tests so far that you've had to do to earn accomplishments towards that certificate. So let's get that in. But week 4 is going to be pretty special. Not because we're going to be fighting the Gorn from that classic Trek episode on that rock behind me. I'm in Denver recovering from my jet lag from being in Stockholm last week, but we're catching up. So no, it's because we're going to be building a brand new resource, one that's never existed before. We're going to use Apigee's advanced API services for that, what the UI still calls app services. So we'll be able to jump in there and create a comments payload. This would be just like building your own API, absolutely from scratch. Only we're then going to put it behind Apigee API services so that you can put security on it. Make sure that nobody's putting garbage into your payloads and the like. And then we'll mash it up with the joke itself. Now on that topic, I've gone back and I've looked at the week 4 videos that we've been filming over time. You remember, these are not fresh this week. That's why I'm doing these intros. And the joke, we're still going to be using my old API service, the joke ID equals 123 or whatever the number is. And there's 2 reasons for that. One is perfectly legitimate to maintain your old API contract, but mainly it's because I'm lazy and I have tools built that are evaluating this. So I apologize for not doing a proper RESTful API as we're going through this. But and then the other thing you're going to see is that I have an example in here where we do a JavaScript call out to fix the /ns. They become new lines at one point. Problem is, I've since changed my API on joke index because JSON payloads aren't accurate with just a /n. It has to be a /n. The exercise will still be exactly the same. It'll still work. We still need to actually fix the fact that Apigee takes away one of the slashes. But it's going to maybe look a little confusing. And again, if you have any problems with that, call out on Twitter or on the forums. And based on the feedback we're getting there, you'll notice that we're going to start adding more notes to the videos, things about exactly, like this thing I just talked about with the /ns, or like the problem that a lot of people are having with the assigned message policy, ripping out their verb and then getting a 405 error, common problems that people are having with the coursework. So that feedback is really valuable for me as somebody who's trying to get people to understand how to use this stuff, and then it becomes valuable for the entire community. So please keep that going. So I got to get into town, work with a client today, and I will be online, so please feel to reach out, and I look forward to see what happens in week 4. Thanks.